Alright, so now I'm going to do a hands-on session with Dynamo. So in this part 3, we are assigning various family type by using the Dynamo script. So let's see our imported CSV. In the CSV, I have already assigned the specified family type in the CSV. Let's see in the ring number 1, I have been assigned to the key segment 28. Ring number 2, I have been assigned to the key segment 2. So based on the based on the ring naming, the key segment will be a different. So that's a reason I just went to import the CSV data into the Dynamo. Alright, so let's go to the Dynamo. Okay, right now I open my created Dynamo script. I'm using the CSV data. Alright, so right now we need to, for the part 3, we need to do step number 1 to the anti-step number 6. Alright, so the step number 1, we are extracting data. We are extracting data from the revit model. In the previous part 2, we already added the ring number 1 to the ring number 200 at the share parameter custom test underscore BIMAC. We already added the ring number, and right now we are extracting this data in this Dynamo script. Alright, so in this case, I'm using the list.get item at index node to extract the data from my Revit model into the Dynamo. Alright, then I'm going to hit run. Alright, so right now we cannot we can see the empty list. The total number is 200. Alright, I'm going to connect this data into the list. Then I will hit run again, and right now we will see 200 data. Alright, so in this list.get item at index node at the list, I'm using the part 2 main family because even we are using the one type of family in my Revit model, we are using the key one segment for every single ring, but I only went to refer to the family name instead of the family type. So that's a reason I using the string. Then I writing down the part 2 main ring family. Alright, so after that we have a reset from the list get item at index. So that one we have to check in the wedge list. Right, let me connect it first. Alright, here in the wedge list, some of the index are empty list, and then we need to check only at the index number 7 have a list, the rest are the empty list as well. So that's a reason when we are using the index number, we need to start from we need to use the index number 7. If we are using the index number 1 and we are connected with the index, when we hit the run, so the reset, the outcome will be an empty list as well. So that's the reason we need to put the index number 7. Then we hit run again, and then we will get the family name, and then the key family name, and then the family type in the west. And after that, we are going to type the key segment family type name. In my Revit model, I'm only using the key segment 1. Alright, so the step number 2, we are going to import the CSV data we are going to import the CSV data into the Dynamo. So I'm going to okay, use the CSV file. Alright, then connect to the file path and hit run. Alright, here is a ring number went to the end. Alright, alright, so in the wedge node, we will see the two index number. The index number 0 included the ring number 1, 2, 3, 4 to until to the ring 100 to the end. And at the index number 1, we can see the key segment. Alright, so later we will extract this information. Okay, we're going to connect list data to the list get item at index in the step number 3. Then in this case, we only want to get the key segment number instead of the ring number. So I'm going to hit run again. Then we are filter out, and then from this list only contain the key segment type. Alright, so after that, I am making string all these recess. I'm making string all these recess, and then I hit run again. And after that, so all these keyword, the Dynamo is understand as a test. And after that, I'm going to connect with the family type name. Then here is a family name. I'm using the part 2 main ring family. At the type name, I'm using the output data from the string. Then I'm going to click on the run again. Okay, this will take a while. Alright, so right now we can see key segment with the family structure framing family type, and then the structure framing family name in this wedge node. And after that, we are going to connect this family type to the value. Then the string, we are only typing the parameter name. Parameter name, we went to add parameter name. We just went to override this outcome reset into this outcome reset key segment 28 or key segment 2 into the type parameter. So I will gonna hit run again. So I need to connect one information. So this information I need to connect, and I'm going to hit run again. Alright, this Dynamo script running is take a while and just now completed. Alright, so now we are going back to the Revit, and we are going to check our schedule. Is it already assigned the correct family type in the Revit? Okay. So in our schedule, I'm going to add one more. This will be a family. Alright, then I will adjust. Okay, so here's our family name. So right now, let's go to compare with our Excel sheet. Alright, in the ring number 1, the key segment is 28. Ring number 2, key segment is 2. Ring number 3, key segment 28. Alright, let's quick check to the ring number 29. Key segment is 7. Ring number 30, key segment is 5. Alright, so now my Dynamo script is completed successfully. Okay,